Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we will check how to change cover photo on Facebook without posting it. So let's start. Let's go to Facebook, and then when we are on Facebook, let's go to our main menu, and then let's go to our profile. Then we are on our profile, we see the cover photo. Just select this part and you will see the option that says your cover photo, upload a photo, or choose your cover photo. So you can upload a photo for changing or choose a cover photo. Just let's select a cover photo, and then let's go to uploads, and then let's select the photo that we want to change. So in this case I will put this one, and then let's see that here under appear share your update to the newsfeed. If you want to share it, just select this one in the square and appears in blue. And if you don't want to this share on our feed, just click here and you unselect the option, and then you can save. Then let's load, and you can see that we didn't share our cover photo on our post. And well guys, I hope it works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.